It is a great honor for us to welcome Mr. Mahesh Mishra, Group Head Trade and Economy and Political Counsellor, the Fahad Sulehri, Deputy Group Head Trade and Economy, and Ms. Sabiha Ahmed, Economic Advisor to Sialkot Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Your presence here today highlights the strong and friendly ties between Pakistan and the United Kingdom, and we greatly value your interest in Sialkot and its the United Kingdom is one of the Pakistan's most important and favorite trading partner and remains a priority market for Sialkot exporters. With Pakistan's exports to the UK related to the industry of Sialkot reaching US dollar 154 point ventures and strengthening collaborations between the business communities of the two countries. We are confident that your visit will play an important role in connecting businesses of both sides, fostering better relations, and creating opportunities for growth and of trade through British counterparts to exchange expertise and technology, benefiting industries of the two nations. Allow me now to briefly introduce Sialkot Industrial Hub. Sialkot is known for its exceptional talent and craftsmanship and is home to a unique community of craftsmen turned entrepreneurs, port-oriented city. Small and medium enterprises in Sialkot collectively generate an impressive US dollar 2.5 billion. In mentioning that Sialkot's football, field hockey sticks, cricket gear, and boxing gloves are regularly used in prestigious international events such as the Olympics and World Cups. Additionally, many world-class cricketers favor bats made in Pakistan for their superior quality cricket. Has a legacy of over a century, enhancing the production of premium quality tools exporting to more than 140 countries. These instruments are trusted by medics, unmatched quality and innovative designs that provide a competitive edge globally. Beyond its business achievements, Sialkot's business community has made remarkable contributions to the social sector through self-funded initiatives. Notable projects include the Sialkot Dry Port, Sialkot International Airport Processing Zone, and the Sports Industrial Development Center. One of the Sialkot's most ambitious initiatives is the establishment of Sialkot Medical City, excellence and social welfare. Another groundbreaking development is the Sialkot Industrial Zone, which is planned to be established near the Sialkot Lahore zone, aims to further enhance the city's industrial capacity, attract investments, and provide state-of-the-art facilities to businessmen, solidifying Sialkot's reputation as a hub of innovation, industrial business excellence, and economic progress. And one of the most favorite project of the Sialkot business community is also in under discussion, and that is initiated by the business community of Sialkot. We have developed a documentary naming Sialkot City of Progressive People, which will be presented after the speech. I may sum up the thanking you and the honorable guests for visiting Sialkot Chamber of Commerce and Industry. I hope that today's session strengthens the trade relationship between Sialkot and the UK and open an avenue for collaboration. Would like to present you the documentary Sialkot City of Progressive People now.
Of time itself. Sialkot, an epicenter where the whispers of ancient sagas connected with the spirit of innovation to create something extraordinary. Made a global industrial force to reckon with, and has fostered an entrepreneurial climate that runs deep in its DNA. Industries flourished, but a collective effort was needed to forge a remarkable path forward.